everyone and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I am back with a super exciting video. Today I'm gonna be apartment shopping. So not for me. If you guys have watched any of my recent videos, you might know that I did recently move into my first apartment. Currently, my sister is about to move into her first college apartment. So she is apartment shopping and getting kind of like all of those home essentials for her first apartment. Today we are going to IKEA and Home Goods and some other places and apartment shopping for her. I thought it'd be kind of fun to take you guys with since you really liked my apartment shopping vlogs. I'm not gonna be apartment shopping for a while now that I kind of have everything I need. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys with as I go with my sister to shop for her first apartment. I feel like apartment shopping is so fun. So definitely thumbs up if you would like to see some more apartment content. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I'm running a little bit late to meet her, so I'm just gonna go and I will see you guys at IKEA. So what are you looking for your apartment?
I'm looking for dressers. I'm gonna get maybe a long one and a tall one, and then maybe 2 nightstand tables. Emily made a list when she moved out, so I copied the list and I marked down what I have, and then I sent it to my roommate and she marked down what she has. So I'm just looking at the list.
I feel like a table like this would be good because she has some chairs that kind of look like that.
These are really good for like kitchen or under the sink or like bathroom organizations. These are the smaller ones, but I might want a bigger one. My roommate has some chairs that look kind of like this and they're like white. So I found this table with wood on top with like white legs. So I think it would match really well.
I think it's really cute. It's this.
Like to pre-chop my vegetables for like soups or something.
Ooh, yeah.
Emily and my mom gifted me some bowls like this. Plates, I'm sorry. I found matching bowls.
Lauren ended up going back and getting the kitchen table as well.
Yeah, I forgot about it.
I don't know if this was your first round of apartment shopping, but how did it go?
And I probably would have gotten more sets of the furniture, but they're sold out. So
yeah,
I'm starting now with one of the drawers, which I don't even know if it will fit.
You got a bunch of like random stuff like like divider, placemat. a table runner. That is it for the apartment shopping vlog. I just now realized while editing that I totally forgot to end the vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did and you'd like to see more of these types of videos on my channel. Definitely comment below if you'd like me to do kind of like a decorating with me for fall and shop with me for fall decorations for my apartment. That was like so long, but let me know if you'd like to see one of those types of videos. Comment below and thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 and follow my sister as well so you can see like what her apartment looks like. It is actually all finished. I didn't really get any moving vlog footage, so I will just show you guys what her apartment looks like. So I think that is everything for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.